In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "Your account has not been charged" error in Roblox. First, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Sign into your account and check whether the issue still appears when you try to make your purchase. If you're still seeing the error, open a new browser tab and visit the official Roblox status page. On the status page, check whether Roblox's services are fully operational. If there's an outage or a service disruption affecting purchases or payments, you'll need to wait until Roblox resolves the issue before trying again. If all services are operational, return to Roblox and try your purchase again. If the error still persists, sign out of your Roblox account, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign back in and try again. You can also try using a different web browser or restarting your computer before making another purchase. If none of these steps work, contact Roblox support with details about the error and any relevant screenshots so they can investigate the issue. And that's how you can fix the "Your account has not been charged" error in Roblox.